Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crocoin and some chart formations I'm seeing play out, as well as the S&P 500, Bitcoin, and the overall macroeconomics of where we're headed here. It is the weekend, so we do have a lot of funky movements going on in the crypto space, but we're still going to go over it anyways. So guys, we are at 7,120 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded lion NFT, which is worth about $2,500. All you got to do is be a subscriber. You got to retweet this tweet. And if you are a YouTube member on the Crypto Report, you get plus 10 additional entries to winning this loaded lion NFT, guys. All right, so let's hop into this video. So, guys, we are consolidating. We're still consolidating. We're still above $23,000 of Bitcoin. We're still playing around in the 1600s on Ethereum. You know, we're looking good here. We're looking really good. I've been saying that for the past couple days. It is the weekend, so usually these movements kind of get erased leading into the week. So I do see that we'll probably just be consolidating. I think we'll probably come back up come Monday. If not, you know, as long as we're above 21,600 on Bitcoin, I'm not really that worried. I think that there's no reason why we don't have a continuation of bullish movement, bullish continuation. We've seen a lot of bullish divergence off of the bottom, so I think that we're looking good here. So I want to look over at Crocoin, guys. I drew this today. This is a ascending triangle. Okay, this is for breakout traders, and basically, this can break out to the upside or to the downside, but I do think that there is a higher percent chance that this does break out to the upside and we start to test this mark of the 10 cent range on Crocoin. If we were to do a measured move, which would be quite interesting to see, we'd measure from here to the bottom. And if we were to do the measured move, and if we did get a full-on breakout from that, with volume, of course, a breakout with volume, that would bring us to the 13-cent range, the fair value of Crocoin, guys. So keep that in mind. And if you do want to enter this trade, in the description box below, we have sign-up bonuses to BitGet and Femex and Binance. If you sign up on BitGet, you deposit, you sign up, deposit, open a trade, you can get up to $8,000 in the sign-up bonus. And on Femex, if you can do the same exact thing, get up to $4,500. Lots of free money in the description box below if you guys want to open up a trade. Just leverage trade at your own risk. But I do see some opportunity here for a breakout trade, whether it be to the upside or to the downside. I do think that there is a higher likelihood that we come up to the upside here and test the previous resistance level of this channel at about 10 cents on Crocoin, which is pretty exciting, but let's look over at the S&P 500 because, guys, you know, we've been talking about this for a while. And we have broken out of this. We have fully broken out of this channel. And we're looking for some weekly candle closes above it. If we get some more weekly candle closes, guys, this pure bullish divergence on the S&P 500, and I want to talk about later in this video the correlation between the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. You know, I've been talking about the overall how if we break out of this channel here on the S&P 500, how we're going to have a risk-on asset rally, which is crypto and big tech. And I want to show you a little bit of a correlation between that. But we're looking good breaking out of the upside of this. We need to see some bullish continuation by getting some weekly candle closes like this. We'd like to see that in the S&P 500. Hopefully not retest these lows or break back into this channel. But let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit because, you know, we're still looking sturdy, guys. 19,500 was the mark I wanted us to see get some candle closes above, and we've done that. And now the next step here is 21,600. We want to see these weekly candle closes above. And we're looking like we're gonna do that. We have a weekly candle close in 6 hours and 45 minutes, guys. So we're gonna have to stay tuned here. Keep your close eye on the weekly candle charts for the Bitcoin price because I'm telling you, if we get these weekly candle closes continuing to close above resistance levels like it's nothing, if we get this 21,600 weekly candle close above that, the next stop is 24,800. And if we get a weekly candle close above that, I mean, then we're talking about the $30,000 mark, guys. And $30,000 Bitcoin means a lot for the altcoin space and the overall market as a whole. So look at this correlation. I thought this was a really interesting chart I found, and you know, the S&P 500 lined up with Bitcoin. So the candles in the background are Bitcoin, and the blue line represents the correlation that the S&P 500 has with Bitcoin. Very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. We're starting to come up on the S&P 500, and so is Bitcoin. This chart was taken at when Bitcoin was at 22,941 last week, and we're looking really good. Look at this correlation on the bottom here. How correlated the S&P 500 is to Bitcoin. That's a good thing and a bad thing. I think that one day we will have that mythical decoupling event where the S&P 500 goes down and Bitcoin goes up, or vice versa. But as for right now, Bitcoin is it's coupled with the S&P 500. It just is what it is, and that's okay because the S&P 500 is getting ready to break out, guys. The S&P 500 is getting ready to break out, and I mean it has broken out. We're looking for a continuation, and if it does get the continuation, which it probably should because of how associated and correlated it is with Bitcoin, we should be looking good on the overall market. There's a lot of bullish signals happening around. There's a lot of signals saying that the bottom is in for Bitcoin. And CryptoKip and I have been calling that back in when we were at about 17,000. I was saying, I think the bottom's in. We had peak fear with the FTX collapse. I think the bottom is in. But guys, it's important that we are looking at this because as of right now, macroeconomics are playing such a huge role, and we are in crazy economic times that have never happened before. But I would like to say that I think we're kind of headed on the way out. We're about to turn the corner towards some positive, dovish Fed, bullish markets. I think we're about to turn that corner. So I think the bottom is in on Bitcoin, and I think that risk on assets bottoms are in, and we're on our way up. I think that we're on our way up. That doesn't mean that we're going to go straight up. That doesn't mean we're going to just take Bitcoin and go straight up to 60K or to 70K. I mean, we could definitely be consolidating for some time. We definitely could be doing some stair stepping or even some of that. Retesting local lows, not macro lows, but local lows, and we could definitely do something like that. But I do think that the bottom is in. I do think that it's in. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video and please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, please consider becoming a member on our channel. All you gotta do is click the join button here on our main page or in the description box below. CryptoKip and I do live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you get these custom emojis as well as these loyalty badges, and also you can use them on any of the videos as well. But we also have a private Discord where you get NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, as well as trading signals, and you get a little bit more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, which is really cool. We really like to have a tight-knit community and just talk and explore different theories with you guys in the crypto space. And on top of that, each month you are a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries to winning this loaded line NFT, which is worth about $2,500. So that's that, guys. That's all I've got for you. See you in the next one. Bye.